Hello, my name is Jeon, and today I'm going to talk about creating the Kafka pipeline. To connect the pipeline, the Docker network should be connected firstly. So I have to create the Kafka network and the Cassandra network. And after that, I have to start the Cassandra container and also the Kafka container. After starting it, then I can use docker ps -a to view the status of the container, and it works well. And now I can go to the localhost 9000. I can add a cluster in here, and the cluster name is my cluster. And after I save it and go to the cluster view, I can see 1 brokers and 9 topics. After that, for the task 1, I had to add 2 new cities, and I decided to add Seoul and Sydney. So I added in the Python code inside of the OWM producer, and now I'm going to start the OWM producer container. And after that, to see the data, I have to start the consumer container. So I'll start the consumer. And by creating it, then it'll get the data, and we can see the data in this terminal window. By waiting some time, it'll give the data. So the first data is Sydney, and we also can see the data in the Cassandra shell. Go to the Cassandra and use Kafka pipeline, and when I select all from the weather report, I can see 137 rows, which is data is loaded, and some data is loaded, which is the location is Vancouver, and the time is 23:10. So when I launch again, then it'll update that, which is 138 rows. And for the task 1, that's all. And for the task 2, I should generate the data by the Faker API with the 10 different fields. So this is the table that what I'm going to use. So I have to create the table in the Cassandra database. So in here, I will create this table, which is called Faker data. And after that, I will make the Faker producer container by starting it. After starting it, then I can get the data. I can see the data in this consumer window. Now the faker consumer gets the data, which is made the fake data, and also I can check in the Cassandra DB. So select all from faker data. Then there is 305 rows, and if I launch again, now it's 307 rows. That's all for the task 2. And for the task 3, I chose the cryptocurrency API to keep getting the price of the cryptocurrency. It will generate the data in 5 seconds continuously. When starting the crypto producer container, before that, I have to create the table. This is the table that I'm going to use. It has the date and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. So I have to create it in the Cassandra. And after that, I will start the crypto producer and build it. And after that, it'll get the data in the consumer window. So there is a crypto consumer in here. And for checking in the Cassandra, select all from crypto data. The data is loaded successfully. So this is all. And while getting the information, you can see that the offset keeps increasing when I refresh the window. So the value is changed in this offset. It also changed. And then after that, to see the data in the Jupyter Lab, I have to start the data visualization in here. So docker compose data visualize and build. And after that, go to the localhost 8888. Import some libraries, and I can use the df function to get the data, the weather data, which is get the data successfully, and for the faker data, also get the data, and for the crypto, so get the data. And for the weather, I have three cities, so I divide it into 3. So this is the plot for the Vancouver weather, and this is for the Seoul weather, and this is for the Sydney weather. And also for the cryptocurrency, I divided into 3 to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. So this is for the Bitcoin, and this is for the Ethereum, and this is for the Dogecoin. So for the task 4, I found one relevance between the weather and the cryptocurrency. The report said that the weather can slightly impact to the cryptocurrencies. So this is the link for the reference, and this plot is with the Seoul weather and with the BTC coin. So red line is for the temperature. So when it decreases the temperature, then it'll increase the coin. And there's one more plot about the Ethereum and also for the Vancouver. This is different with the above plot, but while it's slightly decrease in the temperature, but now it increased in the currency. So this is all for the assignment 1, and thank you for watching.